fat, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the ghost.
What's up, guys? So today I wanted to show you a quick back workout that is great for beginners. Prior to my back workout, I used my tube resistance bands that I got from PROSOURCEfit.com to warm up. I will leave a link down below in the description box for this item. I will also link down below the review video as well as the full body warm-up video that I did using the tube resistance bands. For this back workout, I wanted to focus on volume, so I did 3 sets of each exercise, keeping the rep range between 10 to 15 reps. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more workout videos. Thanks for watching.
She that bitch, she a dollar, not a dime. Super big, super fine. Most of the boys super smart.